the fun way. Is this the second or the third crocodile? The second.
Second.
Meters today, drop down to the bridge and you can see it winding up all the way along here and then up again, and then it goes all the way across and then back up again and goes wiggle 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 right at the top. Almost 12, so it's hot and a bit stupid.
After initially struggling to get our second broken cooker working and blatant procrastination at starting our day, we crossed Tara Bridge and headed into the climb.
It was a hot day at the very start of autumn, so we savoured every patch of shade. With Tara curled up asleep under her sunshade, we were headed up and out of Tara Gorge towards the alpine plains that lay before Durmitor National Park. It was probably the most consistent elevation gain and gradient we had ever had to do, and our knees were feeling it. It's still 3 km.
Our predictable choice of the back roads led us to a fantastic sense of solitude. For anyone else, there would be almost no reason to go this way beyond avoiding the traffic of main roads.
We're going the fun way. Ah, cool. Okay. Right.
Hello, Bubba.
Get the fat dog out.
Although the road turned into an unrideable path, and we were pushing into the hot summer heat, the backroads, cycling, had led us to some fantastic views of the mountains, hazy, blue, and dominating on the horizon. Something we would not have seen if we had travelled in any other way.
The further we rode, the more remote our surroundings felt. A pure sense of freedom as the mountains of Durmitor loomed closer, and nothing more than open plains and gravel paths seemed to separate us. Eventually we popped out in Žabljak, the highest situated town in the Balkans, at 1,456 metres above sea level. It's also a tourist hotspot due to its proximity to the national park.
She's done a lot of elevation, you know, like. Hey baby. Hi. Hi. You okay?
We headed across town to find a campsite for the night.
In the morning, we relocated to a little bungalow south of the town, both of us eager to spend some time exploring the area on foot.
It's not like a hill on the camera, but it is. It just makes me so aware how much harder we're making this on ourselves by having not ultralight setups. But then again, we did just get a dog, so. You wouldn't even know I have a dog. Da-da-da. Hello. We're on our way down to Black Lake in Durmitor National Park with the dog. He's dragging us half the time. And we're dragging her the other half. I just think it's hilarious that she jumped on the bag to tell us that she wanted to go in the bag.
There you go.
Ow, 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 ow. She's eating my hair.
Woo. Let's get you out of
Good?
No.
Oh, Tara. Out you go.
So much of it.
Look at the babies. Can we have another one? It's one of these my ones. There's another one. Oh, look at them. You're so cute. You're Tara. Oh. Oh, Tara. Alright, we should let her be. deployed.
We're so deployed.
Yeah.
Arriving early meant we had the lake almost entirely to ourselves. This felt like another one of those milestones of the trip. Black Lake, the kind of place we might have previously only dreamed of seeing ourselves. But somehow we'd made it happen. Somehow we had cycled here.
I hope you got that.
I don't know if we got the video, but Tara just fell in the water. Where are you going, Tara? It's the wrong way.
Our walk around Black Lake was only 2 hours, but it gave us a lot of reassurance that having Tara with us wasn't going to hold us back, instead adding a new level of fun to our adventures, even if we have to carry her fast asleep all the way back.
The rest of our time here was spent working on our next video and taking full advantage of access to a supermarket and somewhere to store food. Not only were we fueling up, we were also stocking up for what would come next.
It ended up being a lot of groceries than I intended.
There are no shops in the national park, so we made sure to stock ourselves up with 5 days of food, prepared for anything, as we headed for the next part of our journey, riding into and around the heart of Durmitor National Park.
Hi, cutie.
What you doing, Tata?
Oh.